Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to restore old YouTube layouts. So first of all, you're going to download this extension and that one too. And what you're going to do next, after you download these extensions, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and download this code and click install to add the code, right? And what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and refresh your YouTube page after you download these extensions and downloaded the script. And basically what you're going to do next, in order to unblock the origin, go ahead right here into downloading this unblock origins. And what you're going to do, you're going to see right here in the interface after you download this extension, you're going to see it right here. What you're going to do, you're going to click on the extension, you're going to see my filters, and then basically you're going to be able to change the change it to the old YouTube layout. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.